SparkanautsTV.
Hello guys! Welcome back to SparkanautsTV. Now I'm holding a letter. Do you have any idea what letter this is? That's right, it's the letter A, and it looks like a mountain. Now today we're going to learn how to write and how to say the letter A. Everybody open your mouth wide and go Can I hear you say it? That's right, that's the sound letter A makes. Before I start, what I'm going to do is, I've got uppercase letter A here and I need your help. We're going to sing letter A together. Are you ready? Yeah? Here we go. The A goes The A goes The big A is a mountain with a stick across like that. The A goes The A goes The big A is a mountain with a stick across like that. And there you have it, capital letter A. Does it look like a mountain? It does, right? It looks like a big mountain and a little bridge across. Alright, now big A has a friend. Do you know who that is? That's right, it's the little a. This is lowercase a. It might look a bit different, but it actually makes the same sound. So everybody, I want you to open your mouth again and we're going to say it together. Can I hear you? That's right. Shall we sing the lowercase a together? Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, here goes The A goes The little A's a circle with a stick right after that. Oh, the A goes The A goes The little A's a circle with a stick right after that. And there you have it. Big A, small a, alright? Now what I'm going to show you are nouns beginning with the letter A. Are you ready to look at them? Here we go. Avocado. Avocado. I love avocado. Shall we eat it together? Delicious! Avocado. Astronaut. Astronaut. Armpit. Armpit. Do you have an armpit? Let's lift up our hands and say armpit. And what can you do? Tickle your armpit. That's right. And we have artichoke. Artichoke. Abacus. Abacus. And we can use our abacus to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Abacus. And those are my nouns beginning with the letter A. Now, I have my verbs beginning with the letter A. And verbs mean action words. Shall we look at it together? Here we go. Arrange the alphabet. Arrange the alphabet. Can you arrange the alphabet? We start from A and we arrange it all the way to Z. Assemble the airplane. Assemble the airplane. Act like an A. Act like an A. Oh, my favorite. I'm going to teach you how to act like an A. Put one hand on your head, one hand on your armpit, and you go. Very good. Act like an A. Adopt an animal. Adopt an animal. Advance like an athlete. Advance like an athlete. If you want to be an athlete when you grow up, you need to run really fast. And that's how you can advance like an athlete. Alright? And those are my verbs beginning with the letter A. This time, I've got a little friend here. Everybody say, hi, Mr. Ant. Yeah, Ant. And today, Mr. Ant is going to help us write letter A, alright? We're going to start at the bottom and form a big mountain. Let's do it together. Going up and down. And don't forget the little bridge across. Ding! That's right. You can try it at home, alright? Let's do it together. Go up, come down, and your little bridge across. Ding! Don't forget, you can try it with your magic finger. Everybody put out your magic index finger and follow me. Let's go up go down, and a little bridge across. That's right, one more time. Up, down, and a little bridge. Ding. And there you have it, uppercase A. I'm going to turn this around. Ooh, and this time we have the alligator, okay? And what we're going to do now is we're going to write lowercase a together. Let's start by drawing a small circle. Don't forget to stop and put a little stick down. Ta-da! One more time. One circle. Stop and a little stick down. There you go. Mr. Alligator's happy. Alright, now let's take our magic fingers out and we try in the air. A small circle. Stop and a line down. One more time. A small circle. Stop and a line down. Very good job. I hope you had fun learning the letter A with me. Stay tuned and we're going to look at more letters together, alright?